Worked on the problem statement to develop an efficient agricultural robot designed to automate tasks such as cutting weeds, seeding, irrigating, spraying pesticides, and ploughing the land.
In our quest for innovation, we engage with our in-house gardeners and experienced farmers, gathering invaluable insights from their hands-on knowledge. This collaboration allowed us to address real-world challenges and design solutions that resonate with the needs of those deeply rooted in agriculture. Exploring online sources, we found out that farmers often face problems like not having enough workers when they need them, and the cost for labor keeps going up along with the time they spend working. Our project is designed to tackle these issues directly, providing straightforward solutions to the everyday challenges farmers deal with in their farming tasks. Now, let's explore the detail of how AgriBot functions. Our robot's mobility control is achieved through 460 RPM DC motors, ensuring AgriBot's seamless navigation through fields. The wheel design ensures efficient mobility and stability across diverse terrains. The 500 RPM motor attached with sharp blades takes center stage in the weed cutting, offering intelligent and accurate weed management.
Designated DC motor connected to a key-grooved bush coordinates the seed release from a funnel. It's an efficient approach to enhance seeding for optimal crop growth.
For ploughing, we have another motor connected to a lead screw, directing the up and down movement of sickles with precision. This ensures effective land preparation for cultivation.
We have integrated two R385 pumps, one connected to a water tank, the other connected to a pesticide tank. This ensures the efficient water and pesticide distribution across the fields.
All these motors and pumps are seamlessly controlled by L298N motor driver with an Arduino Nano serving as a microcontroller, offering a sophisticated and reliable control system. To enhance user convenience, AgriBot is Bluetooth enabled. Through a dedicated smartphone app, farmers can effortlessly control and monitor AgriBot, bringing a new level of ease to agriculture.
Thank you.